Hello viewers, I am Anbariva. Today we see about Nuclear Power Corporation India Limited NPCL Requirement 2020 official notification. For this notification last date 24/11/2020. There is no registration fee. Qualification: Diploma in Engineering and Degree in Science. The maximum salary of 44,900. Before going to the video, still if not subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for latest update. First, we see the detail of post. It has 8 category. First one, stipend trainee. It has totally 176 vacancies. Current vacancy 164. The backlog vacancy 12. In first category, it has 4 category. In first one, diploma holder in engineering. For mechanical engineering, it has 65 vacancies. Current vacancy 61. Then backlog vacancy 4. Then electrical engineering, total 24 vacancies, 22 current vacancy, then 2 backlog vacancies. Then instrumentation engineering, totally 7 vacancies, 7 in current vacancies. Then electronic engineering, totally 24 vacancies, 22 in current vacancies and 2 in backlog vacancies. Then next category, in first one, science graduate. In science, BSc chemistry, totally 15 vacancies, and BSc physics, totally 15 vacancies, both in current vacancies. Next, scientific assistant in C grade, safety supervisor, totally 4 vacancies, 4 in current vacancies. In civil, 2 vacancies, 1 from current vacancy, 1 from backlog vacancies. Then next, scientific assistant B grade. For civil, totally 14 vacancies, 14 in current vacancies. Then mechanical, 3 vacancies, 1 from current vacancies, 2 from backlog vacancies. For electrical, 1 vacancy. Then instrumentation in electronics, 1 vacancy from current vacancy. In totally 176 vacancies. Then current vacancies 164. Then total 12 vacancies. Then second category, assistant grade 1 HR, 1 vacancy from backlog vacancy. Then third one, assistant grade 1 F&A, totally 4 vacancies, 4 from backlog vacancies. Then assistant grade 1 C and MM, totally 5 vacancies, 2 from current vacancies, 3 from backlog vacancies. Then steno grade, totally 6 vacancies, 6 from current vacancies. Then sub officers B grade, 1 vacancies. Then leading forkman A grade, 3 vacancies from current vacancies. Then 8th one, driver cum pump operator cum fireman A grade, 10 vacancies from current vacancies. Total current vacancies 186. Then backlog vacancies 20, totally 206 vacancies. Then next, age limit and pay scale. In first category, diploma holders in engineering and science graduate, age limit 18 to 25 years. In first year training, stipend 16,000 per month. In second year, 18,000 per month. After completion of training, the post will be appointed as scientific assistant group B. The pay of rupees 35,400, sixth pay. Then scientific assistant C grade, age limit 18 to 35 years. The pay will be 44,900. It's the highest pay of this notification. Then scientific assistant B grade, age limit 18 to 30 years. Initial payment of 35,400. Then assistant grade 1 HR, F&A and C and MM and steno grade 1, age limit 21 to 26. The initial pay of 25,500. Then sub officers B grade, age limit 18 to 40 years and the initial pay of 35,400. Then leading fireman A grade, age limit 18 to 32 years, the initial pay of 25,500. Then driver cum pump operator cum fireman, age limit 18 to 27 years, the initial payment of 21,700. Next, qualification and experience. First category, diploma holders in engineering. The diploma in mechanical, electrical instrumentation, electronic engineering, with the not less than 60% of marks. Then diploma in later entry after plus 2 can apply for this NPCIL. Then diploma of later entry after 10th join IIT are not eligible for this NPCIL. Then scientific assistant qualification diploma 60%, more than 65, not less than 60%. Civil, electrical, mechanical, instrumentation can apply for this. Then scientific assistant C grade diploma in engineering. Any group can apply for safety supervisor, but 1 year diploma certificate in safety, industrial safety you must need. Then minimum 4 years of industrial experience. Then civil education qualification diploma in not less than 60% of marks in civil engineering. Then experience 4 years of experience as a supervisor in any PSU. Same thing for all notification. Here the plus 2 students of diploma later entry can apply, but IIT later entry you can't apply for this post. Training post 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's not for engineering, it's for commerce, science and 10th and 12th qualifications. Next, selection procedure. Category 1 diploma holders in engineering and science graduate, scientific assistant grade C and scientific assistant grade B. Selection procedure: written test plus person interview. Written test will be in OMR based computer based test. The next, assistant grade 1 HR, FNA and CNMM and steno grade 1. Written test plus skill test. Written test will be OMR based computer based test. Then sub officer and leading fireman, physical standard test plus physical assessment and then driving test, if then written test. And same thing for driver comes operator come fireman. Then next, written examination pattern. OMR based computer based test will be held for screening candidates. Then duration of the examination 2 hours. The additional 20 minutes for each hour will be given for PWBD candidates. Then examination have 100 multiple choice questions. The pattern, the part 1, first category English, 10 questions we will ask from 10th discipline. Then second category general awareness, 10 questions. Then third category quantitative aptitude, 10 questions. Then part 2, the respective disciplines of civil, mechanical, electrical, instrumentation and electronics or safe industrial safety. 70 marks discipline from diploma. It will ask from diploma. Each question carries 1 mark. For incorrect answer, 1/4 marks can be deducted. A negative marks equal to 0.25. Exact date, time, venue of examination will be indicated in the admit card. The result of examination, written examination, will be displayed at NPCIL website, www.npclcareer.co.in only. And all the information will be intimated only this website only. No registration fee for this requirement. Last date 24/11/2020. If you have any doubt this based on the official notification of NPCIL, text in comment box. If you need any details of government examination, text in comment box. If you like this video, share to your friends and subscribe and like. Thank you.